लोक काम मेळचें म्हूण सगळे कडेन धांवतात. कोणाक आपलो धंदो करपाचो आसा तांणी धंदोच सांबाळचो आनी सरकारी नोकरी कोणाक गरज आसा तांकां दिवची. तशेंच कोणाक सरकारी प्रशासनान सुदारणा नाका ते विरोध करतलेच. जांकां सुदारणा जाल्ली जाय ते सरकाराच्या निर्णयाक तेंको दितले, अशें कामगार खात्याचो मंत्री रोहन खंवटे म्हणटा.
Which people are criticizing? People who want good governance will support it. People who are involved or are relations of those people will criticize it. So government is open to all criticism. We are very clear. If you need good governance, good administration, हांवें सांगलां मरे, हांवें म्हजें assumption when we are creating the employment policy, the youth today need employment. आवय बापूय भुरगीं झुजता आपल्या भुरग्याक जाग्यार लावचे, आनी जे जाग्यार आसा सरकारी अधिकारी आसात इल्ले, जे जवळ जवळ हांव तुका म्हणलें 30% they are, if they are not able to do justice to their post at government level and want to do side businesses, they should take self-employment as an opportunity and give opportunity to the young blood to come in. Freshness gives more focus on new ideas, new things to come in, and better governance.